Hello everybody, my name is Leanne. I took this course because I don't really know much about digital video. I took photography last semester and um, that's pretty much the only knowledge I have of my camera to take pictures. So this is going to be the semester that I get to learn how to use the video portion of um, my camera and I think the only experience I have is screen recording and recording with my phone, but I don't think that really pertains to this class very much. So, yeah, it's another thing I'm really excited to learn about. And another reason why I took this class was it was going to help with my career plan also. And I'm not too familiar with digital video, so I can't really say what um, I would like to learn. I'm pretty much going to learn as I go along, which is pretty exciting because there's a lot to learn. So, yeah, that's all I have to say for now. I hope you all have a great semester.